In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam not opening or not working on your Windows PC. First, close all Steam applications running in the background. You can do this by right-clicking the Steam icon in the taskbar and selecting Exit, or by opening Task Manager, finding Steam in the list, and ending all Steam processes. Next, open the Run box from the Windows search bar, then type %localappdata % and click OK. In this folder, find and delete the Steam folder. After that, open the Run box again and type steam://flushconfig, then click OK. This will reset Steam's configuration. Once it's done, restart your computer and open Steam again. It should now work properly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.